Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here with another driving video. You know, if you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, if your subscribe button is still red, you just click that button, subscribe, and join the family. Remember to like, remember to leave a comment as well. You know, that helps the channel and it helps YouTube to, you know, push the video to persons that have never seen the channel before. So today we're in Queensbury, just off Malines Road. It's right beside Queensborough. There are two neighboring communities that's separated by a gully. The previous video on Queensborough, so I put that in the comments and in the description so you guys can check that out. So today we're doing the Queensbury video. Most of these left turns lead into like a cul-de-sac, so they're very short avenues, but still showing you guys around the place nevertheless. So I'm gonna finish this road, turn back, and then drive into one of the cul-de-sac that you guys can see. This is one of the longer cul-de-sac. This one goes around a bit. Decent community, not very large lots size, but you know, very neat community, quiet community, residential community. Alright guys, so stay tuned, enjoy the video, share your thoughts, share your comments while I play some music. promised to go into one of these cul-de-sac, so let me go into one down here. Alright, so we're going into Eros Place. I think a cologne has that name, Versace Eros. How many of you guys have tried that cologne before? The Versace Eros. Alright, so most of the turns are like this, not very long. And then directly in front of me over the gully would now be Queensbury. And again, I'll link Queensbury video for you guys so you guys can get a glimpse around as well. Alright, so I'll just turn right here. Alright, so we'll go back on the main. So some of these are designed as townhouses. Some are scheme type houses. Alright guys, so that's Queensbury. Not a large community, but never covered it before, so I just wanted to cover it for you guys. Alright, so guys, remember to leave your comments. Remember to like. Remember to comment. Remember to share as well. So thanks for watching, and definitely leave a comment.